Hi guys, welcome to another video, and this is the new BMW iX. Yes, BMW is entering the Indian electric car market with this SUV, and I'm here in Gurgaon at the BMW training center to take a first look. So let's check it out. First up, looks very aggressive from the front. That massive kidney grille. Let me show it to you up close. Look at the detailing, and it's got radars behind it for the driver assist functions. It's also got a heating circuit which melts down snow and other things in type of cold weather, and this even has a self healing function, like minor scratches etc will be automatically healed in 24 hours. These are the headlamps, all LED, the slimmest BMW has ever offered. And here under the BMW logo you have the filler to this. You can fill the windshield washer fluid inside. That's the front 3/4 look. 21-inch alloys, they call this air performance alloys, and you will get the option of 22-inch alloys as well. These are the rear view mirrors, nice golden accents. And doesn't the car in this shade and the golden accents remind you of Iron Man? I feel so. Flush door handles integrated. Here's a side view for you to check out. There you go. Moving on, here you have the iX lettering on the D pillar. Slim LED tail lamps. That's what it looks like from the rear. The tailgate is gesture control. You have the camera out here. Here's another look at the tail lamps and the iX logo out here. Another three-quarter view. There you go. So the iX will be offered in one trim. This is the iX xDrive 40. Another view. So that's the exterior. Let me take you through a quick look of the interior as well. So the interior is coming up next. So here I am inside the iX, and this is what the interior, the first look. This is the dashboard, and it actually looks like a concept car, not a production car. So if you notice, it's got the curved display screen. It's got a 14.9-inch display touchscreen. This is a hexagonal steering wheel, and look at this wood finish. And this is for your drive modes: reverse, neutral, drive and sport. This is your display. You have heads-up display as well. Quite a cool steering wheel, isn't it? These are the lock buttons here. This is for your seat adjust. It's got a crystal finish, memory seats, and this is a massive panoramic sunroof which turns opaque and transparent at the touch of a button here. Minimalistic switches, not many. Slim AC vents, and this screen really looks good. Front seats with integrated headrests, very comfortable, lovely textures, and I love this feel and touch of the center console. Top notch quality, actually top notch. So this is the front look. I'll show you the back seat now. So here we are in the back seat of the iX, and the seat is fully at its maximum position, and this is the legroom for me available. Quite decent and nice. Flat floor, no transmission tunnel, climate control, rear AC vents. Another look at the panoramic sunroof. C-type charging points for your cell phones. Locks. The car comes with 18 speakers and a Harman Kardon sound system, and the best part is a couple of speakers are integrated into the headrests right here, which is quite cool. So here's another look at the view. headrest is a see-through. The front view feels a little obstructed, you can't really see ahead. That's how the dashboard looks from behind. There you go. So yeah, this is the back seat and the rear experience, more when I get to drive it in the future. Now I'll talk to you about the powertrain next. This is the wall box charger which BMW will give with every iX to every customer, and charging options, BMW says with a 150 kilowatt fast charger it will charge your iX for 100 kilometer range in just 10 minutes. There are a number of charging options available, like a normal cable, the wall box charger, and you will have fast chargers also available at dealerships. So this is your wall box charger. So talking about the powertrain, the iX gets two electric motors, one at the front and one at the rear, so it's an all-wheel drive. It gets power from a 76.6 kilowatt battery. It makes 326 horsepower, 630 newton meters of torque. BMW says it goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 6.1 seconds. Those are the power figures, and has a claimed electric range of 425 kilometers, which we need to see what's it like in the real world. And launch is happening on the 13th of December. That's when you'll actually see this video, and deliveries will begin in April. BMW also said today that they will be launching 2 more new electric products in the next 180 days. This is the first. The Mini Electric will come next, and the third product will be the i4 sedan. So that's it. That's the first look of the BMW iX. Tell me what you think about it in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.